I gave Wix Harmony and Lovable the exact same idea, and now let's see which one turns it into something you would actually want to keep. I'm Walter and this is Wix Ideas, and today I'm putting two AI website builders against each other with same ideas, same prompts, and no special treatment at all. So for this test, I'm looking at three things. One is how quickly they can build it, how closely the result matches the idea on the prompt, and ultimately how good the finished website feels. And my idea is to see what these two AI builders can actually create from the same prompt. And if you enjoy these kinds of experiments, consider subscribing to Wix Ideas. It really helps the channel and there is plenty more coming. Alright, let's take a look at the prompt. We're creating a premium modern football website called Sporty Gang, and the website should feel like a high energy live sports platform that fans would want to visit every day. And we need it to be dark, visually striking, highly responsive design and bold typography, subtle gradients, smooth animations, and polished interactions. We also do have a couple of features here that we want to see in the same page, and most importantly, we want to use realistic mock football data throughout the website, make the data consistent, and structure it so it could be connected to a real API later. Alright, and we also want to make sure that the website is responsive on our mobile devices, and we should focus on making the experience feel exciting, addictive, interactive, and premium. So for this prompt, we're not using real APIs, we're just using mock data. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this prompt. We're going to head to Wix Harmony and paste that right into Wix Harmony and generate our website. Now Wix Harmony is going to have a look at our website. It's going to create from our prompt. Now we're going to check out how long it's going to take Wix Harmony to create this for our first check, which is how long it should take the AI to build our website. Now set the timer and we should see how long this takes. Alright, so here we are on our website, and Aria, which is our AI agent for our website building, is beginning to analyze our prompt and begin to make a plan to build our website. Now you can see over here that the plan has started, and this will take a few minutes to create a plan and begin to implement the plan. Now the goal of this tutorial is simply to see the strength of each of these AI builders against three factors. And the first factor is how fast it takes them to build. The second is how closely the result matches the idea and the prompt. And the final check is how good the finished website feels. Now this is not to discourage you on which one to use based on all the factors, but for you to know what to use to build your website when you need it based on the different factors. Now you can see here that our website is beginning to build out from the home page, and you can see on the background that Aria is beginning to do his job and build out a website for us. Now you can see over here that Aria is making a list and kind of following through with all the requirements that I asked, or the sections I want to see on the home page. So for example, we should be able to see the live match hero, see the live matches, upcoming matches, league standings, the news, player spotlights, match momentum, football news, and so many more. So by the end of this building, we're going to cross check to see if Aria was able to build every single feature that we asked it to build. And we are also going to test out if the website is responsive on our mobile devices. Alright, so that took about 5 minutes to build out our website, and we're going to go ahead and publish this and just have a look at it on our live website. So let's go ahead and publish and visit the site. Now this is our Sporty Gang website built by Wix Harmony, and we're supposed to have a live match hero section, which we do not have, but though we do have the live matches section. So this is showing the live matches section. Although I'm not a football fan, you might notice my lexicon might be a bit patchy. So let's take a look at the other parts. So we're supposed to have live football match and on the hero section, which we don't have, but we do have the live matches already there. We are supposed to also have the upcoming matches right there, which are right here. And let's take a look at the next section. Here is supposed to be the league standings, and you can see here we do have the league standings. I've seen a couple of football live score websites, and this is not too close to what I've seen, but this is doable at least for what we are looking for. And here we can see a little bit of an issue right here with all the boxes that are supposed to be the same height. I think it did quite a good job, although one of the things I noticed is the image choice that it used. So we're kind of using football, but it's using the American football, which is not too bad, although it's supposed to match exactly. So we have here the stats dashboard, which I'm not sure we asked it for that. So let's take a look look at the match momentum, which we have right here, and then we're supposed to have the match news, which is right here. So this is supposed to use the Wix blog. So you can see that it's using the American football images, but I was kind of expecting it to use European football idea. And we have the fan prediction, which is over here, and we also do have the teams. We're supposed to have the teams. I believe this is what it's meant to use. Overall, I don't think this is entirely bad. I think with a few more prompts we should be able to get this going, but I think the heroes section is amazing. I like the idea of separating, using a dark background and moving the text to the left where there is no image behind it, and moving this field to the right. This is really beautiful. I'm not sure what is going on here with the social icons, but overall the speed is really impressive. For 5 minutes to build out this, and the fonts are really bold. The dark mode is really impressive. Now let's take a look at the mobile. Maybe we're going to check that out on the preview so that we can really see how that looks. So this is the mobile view. It's not bad at all, although the button labels wrap here, which they shouldn't. We have the live matches which are stacked. This isn't bad at all. And here we have the upcoming fixtures or games. So we also have here the league standings. This is supposed to be a table, but now we're not really sure how this displays. I'm sure it's supposed to display by the label of the table in columns, on proper rows and so on, but now I'm not really sure how to read this. Okay, so we have the trending now, and we do have the stats dashboard and a couple other things. So overall, I think this is pretty amazing. All right, so that's what Wix Harmony came up with. Now let's give Lovable the same prompts, no changes, no additional instructions. We're just going to paste that right there and give it to Lovable, and we're going to see how long Lovable is going to take to build out our website starting now. All right, so you can see over here that Lovable is going to generate the images that it needs for the website, and some of the images it's generating are also American football, so the context might be lost a little bit when it finishes. And for the time that it's going to take to build the website also depends on your internet. So just in case yours feels faster or slower, it might also be your internet. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for this prompt, so you can also go ahead and test this out yourself. And while we're waiting for Lovable to produce our website, you can go ahead to hit on the subscribe button, give it a like, and also do share this video. I believe that Lovable might take a little bit more time because of how complex it is, although it has been in existence long before Wix Harmony, so we may or may not expect it to do better than Wix Harmony. And I know that Wix Harmony is really doing a great job by releasing amazing features for website builders. All right, so this actually took around 6 minutes to build. So I'm going to publish this and view it on a live page, and right now you can see that Lovable was able to do a more complex job than Wix Harmony, and we're going to test that out pretty soon when we visit the live website. All right, so now we have the live website for Sporty Gang on Lovable, and you can see that we even have a marquee or scroll section at the very top. It also sticks and scrolls with you as you go to the page. It has a better navigation system, and it also has a call to action right here. Now we did mention that we wanted a live heroes section on the very, and that was the very first option that we gave here, or a feature that we gave here. And as you can see on the heroes section, we have a live score section directly on the heroes section, and if we scroll down we can also see the live scores from different games. You can see we have 5 live. These indicators are really impressive. It does have that kind of AI, built with AI look, with the green and all of that, but at least it gave us probably all of the things we wanted. And over here we have a countdown timer that shows us when this match is going to go live, and if we scroll down we can see a very amazing Premier League standings. So I've visited a couple of football live sites, and this one built by Lovable is actually more impressive and looking very close to the ones I've seen online before. I'm sure you have as well. Okay, and I think the AI image did quite a good job with the charts, also with the image. And again, we have the American football looking over here, which is under the news section. So that disparity is still there, but the football, what we wanted was this one. You can see also the hover on the image and the prediction over here as well. You can see how that looks. So this is really amazing. I think Lovable did a better job at giving us a very close look at what we wanted. So for the factors that I'm scoring each of these AI, the first score was how quickly they can build, and I'm going to give that to Wix Harmony for building that in under 5 minutes, and Lovable built that in 6 minutes plus. Now the other factor I'm also scoring is how closely the result matches the idea in the prompt, and I'm going to give that to Lovable for bringing it very close to what I was looking for. And finally, the ultimate is how good the finished website looks. Now I'm actually a big fan of clean websites that gives you direct information, that gives you a very great arrangement of how things are supposed to be and all of that. I think Wix Harmony gives a very more simplistic design, and it's not overpopulated. And we also need to remember that Wix Harmony is building from the elements that Wix Harmony has, and Lovable is building custom components, custom sections, and all of those for what we need it to build. Okay, so for the overall and the ultimate score, which is how good a finished website is, I'm going to give that to Lovable again for a fantastic job. I think I particularly like this live score indicator that scrolls right there, and you can see we have the anchor links directly on the hero section. Over here, Wix Harmony only has home, and it didn't link any of the sections that we asked it to create. I believe that would have been a priority since we don't have any other pages on the website. Okay, so I still want to stand on the fact that Lovable has been in existence long before Wix Harmony, and Wix Harmony is doing quite a great job so far. I also like this scroll animation on the images right here. It really also brings the website to life. I love the color selections right here that Wix Harmony used. I think they are more pleasing to the eye and so on, but we still wanted to see more and have it look very close to what a real live score, football live score website looks like. All right, so that is it with this tutorial. If you did enjoy the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and also do leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about the comparison that I just did. All right, so thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.